So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba palitan ang digital creator or yung category sa ating Facebook. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, i-open ko na yung aking Facebook application. So, yung mga digital creator nga pala guys is naka-enable lang siya once na naka-professional mode ang ating Facebook account. So, after nyan, pagka-open ng ating homepage, pumunta lang tayo sa pinakang profile. And dito nyo guys makikita yung digital creator. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na kung paano nga ba natin mapapalitan. So, para mapalitan guys, i-scroll up lang natin. Then, tap natin dito yung see your about info or yung more dito sa baba. Tap lang natin. And then, pagka-tap guys, so dito sa category, makikita nyo na dito yung digital creator. So, para mapalitan natin to guys, tap natin yung edit. And then dito, pwede na kayong mamili kung ano ba yung gusto nyong ipalit. So, ito yung pwede lang nating piliin guys. So, ito yung pinakang suggested ni Facebook. So, pwede siya sa actor, artist, athlete, blogger, chef, comedian, designer, digital creator, entrepreneur, fashion model, gamer, journalist, musician, photographer, or public figure. And the last is writer. So for example is, papalitan ko siya into photographer. So, ito yung papalit ko. Tap nyo lang kung ano yung gusto nyo ipalit. And makikita nyo guys, may check mark sa side. So, tap natin yung save dito sa baba para ma-enable. So, ayan guys, nakita nyo naman na palitan na siya into photographer. So, tingnan natin yung ating profile. So, refresh ko lang. And then guys, kung makita nyo, napalitan na yung profile dito sa my aking Facebook na naka-professional mode. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba palitan ang digital creator or category sa ating Facebook. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.